Several Samsung patents have been published describing how the company views its collapsible smartphones. The first, which was obtained by SamMobile, shows a phone that seems to have a hinge in the middle and two screens up and down. Apparently, the screens can interact with each other or operate independently, and all will run in the same software. According to SamMobile, the other patents focus on folding screens with different aspect ratios than traditional phones that have 16:9 or 18:9 aspect ratios. To address that, Samsung has developed multi-window software features that ensure that the content can fit in both screens or in one without distortion, according to the patent. The other Samsung patents are mainly focused on design concepts. One of them shows a device that can bend and surprisingly small. When you stretch it, the phone comes with a long screen that seems to be higher than the Galaxy S8 and the Galaxy Note 8. When the phone is folded, there is still an accessible screen so you can see what's on the device. Interestingly, Samsung's final patent points to a full-screen device that eliminates all bevels. That patent, which also avoids the notch you'd find on Apple's iPhone X, includes an action button on the bottom that could be used to activate Bixby. It also seems to come with a virtual component, a fingerprint sensor, something that Samsung has not yet been able to implement. Rumors have circulated for years about what Samsung has planned for its next Galaxy X. There are some claims that the phone will come with a folding screen and others that say it will be a rolling screen that can extend from the size of the smartphone to the size of a tablet.